Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and today a clear technical analysis video. Nothing special, no jokes. We will check what's going on with Bitcoin. We will check it in some minutes, more minutes as 5 minutes. I need more minutes, guys, as 5 minutes, because it's very important to watch the bigger time frame on Bitcoin, and we will have some new theories to check it. So guys, let's start this trading analysis. Let's go, guys. Okay, we're starting with this clear picture. No drawings, no indicators for the moment. Every candle is here one day. And guys, let's start with this. We are making for the first a parallel channel from the downside, the deepest point from this point here, not perfectly here, from this point to the upside to this point and to the upside to this point. So this is the big parallel channel now, guys. This is the big parallel channel. We saw a nice back to the upside, down again, here the fight with the middle line, and now we are here on this position, 64,000 for the moment on the big time frame. Okay, let's zoom in. Let's check what's going on here with this stuff, guys. First of all, we are checking the Ichimoku. You know the Ichimoku, if you're watching my videos, this is a nice indicator and this is working really well. And you can see if you're zooming in now, the big thing is for the Ichimoku, guys. We are between the blue line and the red line. The blue line is the 9 lengths Ichimoku, the red line is the 26 lengths. And we are, for the moment, between these lines. And this is really dangerous because, guys, if we will see a confirmed closing candle under this line, we may go down more and more. If we can see a pump from here, this would be the next position for a long position to the upside if you are not in a long position for the moment. So Ichimoku is telling us, okay, extreme dangerous, guys. We need to watch this. Let's check the next thing, what is going on with the ribbon band. And the ribbon band is here still as a nice friend for us. It's a nice support. We saw the spike to the second line. Here we saw a spike to the first line, but we are still over the ribbon band. Okay, these are the indicators. They are for the moment very important. Ribbon band and Ichimoku. Let's check the next thing. Let's check this one, guys. For the moment, if we are going in a 4-hour time frame, this is a better time frame to watch, in my opinion. We have some things to watch. First of all, we have here a trend line from the downside to the upside. This is a nice support line here. Okay. The next thing we are watching, we have here also a nice line from here to here. This is also a nice line, but it is a resistance line, a red one. And you can see we are building now a rising wedge. You can see it here from this point. So it's possible maybe to go down a little bit to here, to here, to here, to here. And then is the big question, can we break out to the upside or will we break down to the downside, guys? This is, in my opinion, the next thing to watch for Bitcoin in the next few days, maybe. So this is this stuff. Let me check the next one, the 4-hour time frame, the ribbon band. The ribbon band on a 4-hour is not so nice for us. Let's check it. If you're zooming in a little bit more, yes, you can see it. Here, green ribbon band. We broke it here with this bad candle. Big wick to the downside. After this, a fight in the ribbon band. And for the moment, you can see it. We are now under the ribbon band. Confirmed closing candles under the ribbon band. And yes, we are under the ribbon band. So guys, we need to fight back on the 4-hour time frame, this damn ribbon band. As long as we're under the ribbon band, we have here bearish cards for Bitcoin for the moment. We need to watch this. So what is telling us? The MACD. MACD is still bearish. Blue line is under the brown line. We have here the red candles here. But maybe we can see the red candles, but they are not growing anymore. And maybe we will see here a bullish cross soon, maybe. So we need to fight back the brown line, blue line, or the brown line. We need to make the first green candles like this here. This would be the next pump, maybe. So for the moment, yes, we are in a little dump, but you can see we are making maybe here lower and lower red candles, and maybe we will watch this in the next time to see more and more green candles, or starting with green candles like this here and this here and this here and this here. This would be a nice pump, guys. So, okay, this is this stuff. What is going on with the MACD on the daily? Let's check this also. On the daily, we are bearish. Oh, not good. We saw here a bearish cross with this candle here for about 3 days. This was not good. So the bigger time frame is not very nice. You can see it. We are building more and more red candles to the downside. Guys, this is not good on the bigger time frame. So maybe it's possible to see this point here soon, 62,700 in my opinion. It's not impossible to go down to this point here. Okay, let's watch the next thing. Let's watch this one on the 1 hour. What is telling us the 1 hour? MACD is bullish. We saw here a cross here on this point, but on the 1 hour you can see also we have so much big problems here on the 1 hour. Ribbon band is red. EMA 200 is here as a resistance. So guys, it's not looking so nice for the moment for Bitcoin. We have here a lot of resistance. Resistances. Okay, guys. Let's move on. Let's check one thing that's very important, maybe on the 1 day. Let's remove the ribbon band and let's make a clear picture here. Okay, guys, let me check what is going on with the golden cross and the death cross. It's a long time ago we watched this, but it's also really important to watch it. Golden cross, death cross. Yes, we saw the golden cross here on this point. The green line crossed the red line. After this, we are now in a golden cross zone. After this, we saw a nice pump to the upside. And yes, we are still in this nice pump to the upside. So everything for the moment here is working. It's working good for Bitcoin. This is looking nice. Forget the golden cross. What is telling us the Bollinger Band? It's a long time ago to watch the Bollinger Band, but it's also really important to watch it. Okay, guys, this is on the daily, the Bollinger Band. We saw here, this was really awesome, a Bitcoin confirmed closing candle over the Bollinger Band. It was the best time for a short or a sell because this was a breakout of the Bollinger Band, guys. Really amazing. And now if you're zooming in a little bit more and zooming up here, you can see we are fighting with the middle line. We are still over the middle line if you're watching the Bollinger Band, and this is good, guys. These are good news. As long as we are over the middle line on the Bollinger Band, we are still bullish. But we need now, and this is important, these days are not so good. These red days here, the last few days, are bad for Bitcoin. We need now for the downgoing or for the next days here a bottom and a nice pump to the upside again to see 70,000. My next target is 70,000, and I think it's possible to reach the 70,000, guys. Okay, this is this stuff with the Bollinger Band. What is telling us the Bollinger on the 4 hours? Let us check this one here also. And on the 4 hours short time frame, we are bearish. You can see it here with this bad candle. We crossed the middle line and we are here on the downside. We need here to fight back 4 hour really bearish, guys. Look at this. Ribbon band resistance, Bollinger middle band resistance. So much bearish things. And on the downside, the support is coming really low at here at this point at 60,700. So guys, this is not so good for the moment. The short time frame is not nice. The big time frame is okay. It is working, but the short time frame is not nice for Bitcoin for the moment, guys. We need to watch it. Okay, this is this stuff. Let me check it now one thing, guys. Let me check the weekly. What is telling us the weekly? And on the weekly, we will remove all drawings. Before we remove, guys, watch this Bollinger Band. It's amazing. Remove drawings. You can see we are on the upper side of the upper line, on the upper line of the Bollinger Band here. Here we saw a spike again. And guys, it's possible to come down here. It's really possible to come down here. And you can see the middle line of the Bollinger Band for the moment, or the ribbon band is here. Look at the price of the middle line of the Bollinger Band, 48,000. So guys, why not to come down again with Bitcoin? Why not to take deep breaths to 48,000? Guys, if you're watching the weekly time frame, here is a lot of air to the downside, guys. You can see it. EMA 200, where it is, 19,800, 20,000 US dollar is the EMA 200, guys. Attention, attention. It's maybe possible to come down here a little bit, guys. It's healthy for Bitcoin to take deep breaths for the next pump. So, guys, it's not easy. The week, yes, the weekend candle, the week candle is not so nice. You can see it. We have still time to close this candle, the weekly candle, 1 day, 16 hours. And you can see a big spike to the upside here. And for the most times, if we see a big spike to the upside, we're going down. Big spikes to the downside, we go up. Big spikes to the downside, you can see it here also, we go up. Big spikes to the upside are not good. Maybe we're going down, guys. That's the weekly Bollinger Band. Okay. Now, guys, let me check the MA21. This is also a really, really important indicator. So here we are. Okay, let's zoom in. Damn, this is not good, guys. This is not good. Let me check it here. Style 21 MA21 length. This is the blue one, this one here. The MA21 is on 47,600. Okay, really deep, also really deep. Big support on the downside, yes, but really deep. I'm not so amused about this. So, okay, let's remove all stuff here. Let's remove everything here. Let's move the Bollinger Band. Let's move the EMA ribbon. This is the clear chart picture. Okay, and guys, you know it. I know my cam is out for the moment, but it's not so important. The big thing I'm watching for the moment is the this one, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upgoing wave. Elliott wave. 1, 2. Where is point 3? Is here point 3 or maybe here point 3? Something like this. 4, 5. It's possible. It's possible to see a play out like this. Why not? I know it's magic glass reading. I know, guys, it's not easy, but let me check the parallel channel or once again from the downside here. No, better to watch it. Maybe we will check what's going on with this one here and here. Okay, this could work. So, okay, it's possible to see something like this, something like this, something like this, and something like this one here. Okay, this is too easy. I know it, guys. This is too easy. But remember, why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Okay, this is now the weekly time frame. Let's check one thing also. These are the candlestick patterns, all candlestick pattern. Let's check it. Here we are on the weekly time frame, and we saw here a bullish engulfing after the bearish engulfing. Sorry, after a bearish engulfing, we are going down for the most times. And what happened? We went up. Here we saw a bearish engulfing. We went up. That's okay. We went down. Okay, that's not working, guys. That's not working on the weekly. Let's check it on the 1 day. What's telling us this one here? Here we saw the bullish, the bearish going down. Here the bearish going down. We have no bullish signs for the moment. Okay, okay. This is not the best thing to watch, I think, on the 4 hours. What's telling us this one here? We have here some bullish signs, the doji, the doji, the doji. Okay, these are bullish signs, maybe for a trend reversal here to the upside. But yes, we need to watch it. The doji is working here. The doji is working not so nice here. Here, okay. The bullish engulfing is working here. Okay, not so perfectly. Guys, this pattern are not working very perfect for the moment. We remove it. We remove it. Okay, here it is. So, one thing I can show you, and this was a thing we talked about a little bit yesterday on my live stream. Angry Higgins showed this, and here we can see a line from here to the downside here, and you can see this line is now our support line. This was the triangle line. We broke out of the triangle. I showed you this since days, guys. We broke out of the triangle. We are here on the point. Let me show you like from here to here. This was the triangle, and yes, we broke out the triangle to the upside. And guys, I showed you the target for this on the video. The target for breaking out the triangle to the upside is a price about, let me check, from here to here, and this one too. So, and this line we put to the breakout zone. This is the breakout, and the price for this was 70,600. Yes, we saw a nice spike to the upside. It was a nice long position. It was time to take profit here, because if you're watching on the 4 hour, you can see it here. We saw spikes to the upside. They are always dangerous. You know it, guys. Spikes to the downside are positive for us, are bullish, like this one here. And now we are retesting this line, and it was here with this candle, and Angry Higgins showed us this on Discord and on the live stream. This was a perfect hit here. So this is holding, guys. This is nice. It was a retest of the triangle. The triangle for the moment is working. The technical breakout is working. It was a retest. Everything is okay for the moment. We need now the next pump to the upside. This is important. We can check one thing also, maybe a little retracement from here to here. So if you're zooming in a little bit in the 1 hour time frame, let me show you this one here. We are working here for the moment. Yes, this is the retracement, the Fibonacci retracement. It's not perfectly, but now it is better. And here, okay, we saw the highest point here. We saw maybe the lowest point here. The positive thing is we broke out for the moment over the 0.236 Fibonacci at 63,800. This point here. So for the moment, we have here a nice support, and this area is holding. You can see this line here is a really, really well respected support area from Bitcoin. So it's a big fat green one. You can see here we saw the spikes down to this, here we saw the fight, here we saw the fight, here a little down again, and now we are up again. A really, really important support zone for the moment, 63,855. We need to hold this, guys. And one thing I would like to check is the bar chart. The bar chart is also really important if we are trading Bitcoin, and you can see here on the bar chart, I am making everyday a video of the bar chart, a little short video. You can see our first pivot support point. Support point is on 62,477. So 62,477 is 62,400 is here. This is a big, big, big first support. We saw one spike down to this support point, and this is a great area. Guys, if we will lose this here, if we will lose 63,800, if we will lose the Fibonacci, the 0.236 Fibonacci, we need to watch this line to the downside. It's the next big support. And yes, here, this is 62,200. This was the deepest point for the moment. We need now higher lows. We saw here a low. We saw here a lower low. We need now higher lows. This is really important for Bitcoin, guys. Remember, we are making here maybe a stuff about this on the 1 hour. It's not so important. A little triangle from here to here and here to here. It's a little triangle. We may see a breakout here on maybe today, in a few hours, maybe in 5-6 hours, maybe a breakout to the upside or to the downside. I hope we can break out to the upside again. I hope we will make higher highs. That's important. Here was a high, here was a high, a lower high. We need higher highs. You can see now on the 1 hour time frame really clear. Here's the next Fibonacci, 64,800. That's the big resistance, guys. If we can reach this one here, and we will see a spike up to 64,800. It's not a higher high. We need a spike over this one here, 64,900. We need 65,000. Then we have a higher high. As long as we are under 65,000, guys, we have no higher high. This is a little bit dangerous for Bitcoin for the moment. Okay, you have now the most things you need to know for the next hours and maybe for the next days. The MACD on the 1 hour, I told you we are for the moment bullish. You can see it. Attention, if the blue line will cross the brown line to the downside, we are bearish. Attention, attention, you remember. And let me show you one thing. This is the RSI. What is going on with the relative strength index? On the 1 hour time frame, we are on the middle. Not overbought, not oversold, we are on the middle. We saw here a nice support line here. Resistance line here. The good stuff is, guys, for the moment, we broke this resistance to the upside. We are now over this resistance. It's a support line if you are watching the RSI. Okay, nice. Let's check the RSI on the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame. Here was extreme overbought Bitcoin. You can see it here on this point. It was extreme overbought. We went down here. Now we are here on the price on 44 points for the RSI. This is okay. We have a resistance line, a clear resistance line. We can draw it from here to here. That's the red one. And now you can see RSI resistance is this line. We have some space to the upside. Maybe we see a breakout from the triangle to the next point. And it's possible if you're watching the RSI on the 4 hour time frame to see 65,000. Why not? Okay. The big thing to the downside, we can make this one here, guys. Nice. That's really nice. From here, from the deepest point, maybe over this point to the upside. Look at this nice support. Here it was a support. Here a perfect spike to the support. And yes, we are for the moment over the support line. That's nice. Okay. As long, guys, as we are over the support line, it's okay for Bitcoin. But if we will break down on the 4 hour here, we may have also some problems. And it's important, guys, you can see this stuff here on my live stream. Please watch it. Live stream Bitcoin Trading Information on YouTube and on Twitch. What is telling us the 1 day? And the 1 day RSI is here on 56 points. Here's also the resistance line. This is this one here. And we have also here, let me show you the support line from the downside. From the deepest point, it's easy to draw the RSI from the deepest point over this point to this one. You can see, oh, we have a lot of place to the downside. A lot of space here to the downside, guys. And this is not good. 58,000 here. The middle line is also possible. Okay, guys, the higher time frame here for the RSI, a lot of space to the downside. What is telling us the RSI on the weekly? And on the weekly, we are really high here. You can see it here. We are really high. RSI is about 67 point. Okay, it's not overbought, but it's really high. And we can make here also, let's try this resistance line from here. Sorry, no, it's not working like this. It's easier to make it from here over this point to the downside, over this point to the downside. And what can we see, guys? We broke this resistance. It's now a support to the upside. That's okay. That's nice on the weekly. The weekly time frame is not so bad, but the RSI is really high. Watch this, guys. Okay, so I think, guys, you need all, you know now everything you need to know. Today, a longer video. Today, not a turbo TA. Today I talked about a lot of things, guys. Here this is an uncut video. I'm always making uncut videos. And guys, I hope you know every target to the upside, and hope you know every target to the downside. Guys, thank you very much for watching. And please leave me a comment if you like these big updates, these detailed updates, these drawings I make with you here, or if you like more the 5-minute updates, the turbo updates for the day. Please write it in the comment what it is better for you. And if you need anything else, an indicator or something like this, if you have other ideas with the Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or something like this, please write it in the chat or visit my chat in the live stream. I would be very proud and very happy. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye, guys.
System activated.